Hey, Tequila here with Southern Twang. Today's eBay beginner tutorial is going to be about how to use the flat rate shipping feature in eBay. Now, I have an eBay store, so when we first start off, my screen may look a little bit different from yours if you do not have a store, but most of the steps will be the same. So if this is something that you're interested in, you'll want to stay tuned and watch the video. So we're going to start off by going to my listings. I'm going to click on my active listings, and then I'm going to search for the category that I want to change the flat rate shipping for, which is the clearance bin. So I click on that and I click search, and it pulls up all of my active clearance items. Then I'm going to click on the edit drop down and click edit all. So all of the listings are going to be selected instead of having to go through and check each and every last one separately. So the page is refreshing, and I'm going to click this box above in the bar, and again that selects everything. Then I'm going to go to shipping domestic, flat rate shipping. It's already selected. So then I'm going to choose the type of shipping. So I'm looking for the first class package. There we go. And I'm going to put the cost that I want for these to ship for. So for every customer it will be $1.99. For each additional item they purchase will be 99 cents. Then I'm going to be looking for the priority, the padded flat rate envelope. And I'm going to put the price in, $2.99. Each additional one, 99 cents. I also always like to offer the local pickup, even though no one ever uses it, but it's just good in case someone from my hometown wants to purchase something from me. They won't be intimidated by the shipping. So I'm going to click the box there, and then click on save and close. Just making sure that everything looks right. Now, the reason that you'll want to use this feature is to make your listings more competitive. And I see that I chose the wrong one, so I'm going back now to choose the padded flat rate instead of the regular flat rate envelope, and save and close. So you can make your flat rate shipping cost any price that you want. It could be 99 cents, however much. So I'm going to submit the changes. I'm going to confirm. It's charging me nothing because I've already paid to list all of these items. So I click on confirm and submit. The listings are being submitted. It says you have successfully submitted your listings, and I click OK. So as simple as that. I have changed those listings to be flat rate shipping prices. So I'm just going to go and just going to make sure that it's going to show the way that I want it to show. So I'm just clicking on the link, and I'm looking at the rate, and there we go. Shipping $1.99 for standard shipping. Now if this item were heavier, then the option for the padded flat rate would show up. So I'm just going to show you here. You see again that the standard shipping is $1.99. The free local pickup is listed. And actually it does show the padded flat rate, which you wouldn't use just to purchase that small item. But everything shows up. So it's pretty simple. And again, if you are looking for ways to draw more people into your store or to draw more traffic to your listings, you may want to consider offering cheaper shipping, because shipping rates go up every year, and sometimes people like what they see, and then they get to the cart and see the shipping cost, and they're like, never mind. It happens, right? If you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and leave those down below in the comment box. And also, let me know what type of eBay beginner tutorial videos you would like me to make in the future, and I can make that happen. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and then click on the bell to receive notifications of new videos. And share this one with a friend. See you later.